Let me ask you a question no one is asking you. You have a good job, even a great one at that. You make real money, but at the end of the month, it's gone. You can't explain, you can't even stop. What if I told you that the problem is not your salary? The problem is something deeper than that, something you were not taught in school. Stay with me. At the end of this video, you will finally understand why you are financially broke and exactly what to fix and how to fix it. I'm Favour Aruwei, your business coach and the founder of Leadwise Biz Institute. Today we are getting into a conversation most financial coaches are afraid to have. What is financial freedom? What do you understand about being financially free? And I will be honest with you, most of us get it wrong. Step one, the big lie about financial freedom. Most people believe that financial freedom is you having that your big dream job, is you having six-figure salary, is you having that beautiful office space. But let me be honest with you, you can still have that big job and still be financially broke. I know a lot of people, they earn huge amounts of money. Before the end of the month, they can't even give account of their money. Even before on the 20th. Financial freedom is not you earning huge amounts of money. Financial freedom is you understanding how your money works and your mindset, not your bank account. Step two, the real definition of financial freedom. Financial freedom is you being financially educated. This is the secret no one is selling to you. A lot of people, they make money, but they don't know how to control their money. You allow your money to control you. Instead of you controlling your money, you are carried away with emotions. When you understand how your money works, how it multiplies, how it grows, how it links, you stop being a slave to your paycheck. You start making your money work for you because your money has to work for you instead of you running after it every single month. But when you don't understand how your money works, you'll be a slave to your money forever, even when you are making huge amounts of money. Because the Bible says, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. That verse is not just spiritual, it's financial wisdom. When you lack knowledge about money, money will destroy you even when it's in your hand. The step three, the broken bucket. I've seen so many young graduates land their first real job, a salary of 70,000, 100,000, 200,000. 3 months along the line, they start borrowing, they start looking for money. Reason is not because the salary is too small. Reason is because they lack financial education. And as a business owner, you close a deal of 500,000. 2 weeks later, they can't even pay their staffs. Why? Because the money comes, but the education did not come with it. Even with a huge salary and with a business making big money, it keeps passing through your hand like a water on a broken bucket. Step four, what do you start doing today? Commit to financial education. Read, listen, attend programs that talks about money. Do not just hustle for money. Understand how money works. To study how money flows in your life, not in somebody else's life, in your own life. Understand the pattern of how you spend. When it is coming in, when it is going out, try to have a money system. So three, join the right community. Your financial habits are deeply shaped by the people you surround yourself with. Because if you surround yourself with people that spend lavishly, you definitely will spend lavishly. But if you surround yourself with people that know how to manage their money, it will rub on you. You start having that discipline to manage your money, because sometimes it's not that you make money, you are seeing money, but you allow the money to control you. Before the end of the month, you are done spending the money. So make friends with people that are wise, because if you make friends with 5 foolish ones, maybe you'll be the number 6. But if you make friends with 5 wise ones, you'll be the number 6. So make friends with people that are wise, not people that spend lavishly. So financial freedom is not a destination you arrive at. It's the way you think, the way you see money, and the way you decide on how to spend your money. The moment you get financially educated, everything changes. Do not just watch this, act on it. If today's conversation opens something in you, do these 3 things right now. Like this video so that the next young adult having same challenge can see it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.